this that new batch.
We must pay homage to him.
So we got the light bar right here, trying to get this mounted up. Had to cut off my tow hook mount. Look how thick this shit is. So we got space now to mount the light bar. So I stabbed a hole with a razor blade. I'm trying to feed it through to go under here. I don't even know if y'all be able to see this shit. Okay, it's under there. The hole, yeah, you see where that harness is coming out right there? I wrapped the 3 wires that I needed on a piece of tubing, and I kind of bent it and shoved it through. So if you want to know how to do that, there you go. Alright, so we got it all hooked up. Wire's looking kind of shitty right now, but I'm just making sure everything works. So I'm about to turn it on and see. There we go. Light bar is on. Hell yeah. Kind of hard to show y'all in here. It doesn't look very bright on video. See if I can turn the lights off in here. Oh yeah, well, I mean, you can see a little bit better now. Pretty bright for a little light bar. My package from Amazon just got here for the mesh. So this is gonna go on the bottom of the bumper. So it's not going anywhere, and then I fold it over the edges.
We must pay homage to him.
Making me dizzy looking straight into it. So there's all of them all. Yeah, that would definitely blind you if you're coming up the other direction. Alright, here's the final result, the wire cleanup. So you can see that's a much better setup right there. And I got an empty spot in case I need to add anything else. I don't think I've ever got to show this off, but this is my girl's RX that we wrapped in matte black. So she definitely wanted to go all black on this one. I think it looks amazing. Just got it all cleaned up. Same with mine. Sun hitting just right. Kind of hate that we live on a hill because it's always weird to air out, but alright, let's try to see if I can show y'all. Hell yeah. So that's That's with the light bar and the headlights on. Headlights off. Headlights on. High beams. Headlights off again. So this shit pretty bright. Yeah, we lit. Turn that on. So I'm gonna get pulled over. So yeah, that's it, y'all. Hopefully you enjoyed, found it useful, all of that. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.